So how do I clean my, this video is gonna be short because many people ask me what do I do for my skin, and the only thing that I use to clean my skin, Denise White, hi Denise, this is a short video. So I'm gonna show you guys how do I clean my skin, what do I do for my skin, okay? So Terry, hi Terry. So I just came home from my cardio. I'm not gonna go out for the rest of the day, so I know I'm in. So if I was gonna go out, hi Denise, I will not clean my face. I clean my face when I know that I'm not going out for the rest of the day. Hello Terry. So here we are. We just got home. I was doing my cardio. So let's take my glasses off, and then I'm gonna take this. So I make sure my face is nice and clean. Let me take my earrings off. So we don't want anything to be in your way while you clean your skin, okay? And then I'm gonna show today just the cleaning part of it, and then another day I will show you the scrubbing part of it. So I put this here, ¿verdad? Right? So I get all my face nice and clear, so we can do the deal. Renee, good morning, good afternoon, Renee. Okay, so you get yourself a good pure coconut oil. I'm pretty soon I'm gonna come out with the best coconut oil, and I'm gonna put it in my website. Right now I'm just doing the research because the one I get it from India. Unless you wanna make it, but it's a big deal. My grandmother used to make it. So you get a good quality coconut oil. This is pure coconut oil. It smells like coconut oil. Then I do this. My neck, and I can see the dirt from doing cardio outdoors. You feel, imagine people who don't, let me take my Fitbit off. Imagine people who go to sleep without cleaning their face. And that's what happened, that when you don't clean your face every night before you go to sleep, then what happened, you age very quickly. So this is it, okay? So you just make sure you rub the coconut oil, very nice, very soft movement, look around in the forehead, going up, around your eyes in a nice circle, make it nice. And then your neck, nice, your chest, nice, very nice. Now I forgot to get my little tissue. Let me go get my tissue. I don't get too fancy. I get paper towel, okay? I can't read you guys because I have coconut oil in my eyes, okay? Then I just make sure that I just remove all very nice motion, making sure that I know that I'm treating my face, my skin, my lips, very nice. Nice. And then look at what happened. Imagine going to sleep with this in your face, okay? So I did the first part of it, right? Nice here. And then I do a second time. Let me see who's there. Lisa. So now I get a little bit more of pure coconut oil, very pure, look. Get the best quality until I get my own that I'm working on, okay? So we do it the second time because I just wanna make sure that everything is clean, that everything is no leftover of dirt in my face, so that way my skin, when I go to sleep, my skin starts breathing new things, start rejuvenating, rebuilding, you know, because the cells can breathe. And if you go to sleep and you go to sleep with all that junk in your face, how your skin is gonna breathe? You know, the skin is an organ. It's the largest organ in your body. So you need to take care of it. Yeah, I do take care of my skin. And that's why you guys see me, I don't go out without my coconut oil. Look at the second time. Still some dirt came out, see? So, now like that, like that, like that. Okay, that is the way. See, my skin looks nice and moist. See? See what happened? Nice and moist. You make sure your lips, don't neglect the neck, okay? Because then you get this all looking neck. And then whatever, they have the leftovers in my hand, and then I put it in my legs. I don't waste anything. Okay, so let's see if, your comments or questions. Hello. Okay, yes, pure coconut oil, okay? So get the best quality you can find. Hi, honey. Hi, beautiful. Happy Sunday. Okay, so I'm going to keep this video nice and short because it has to go in YouTube because this is the video about my skin. Now you can go wash with warm water. You can get a small face towel, put it in hot water and put it in your face if you want to take a little bit of the leftover of the coconut oil. For me, I leave it on my skin because it acts as a moisturizer. So I don't have to buy a cleanser, a moisturizer, and all these things, and you spend $300, $500 in product, and you still look ugly. With my coconut oil, look at that, and I look pretty cool. Okay, now I'm gonna take a shower. Now I shower, okay? Beautiful, so have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Se limpia la cara con aceite de coco. Vea el video. ¡Pow! Awesome.